Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. It's been a while I have posted any video. So in today's video, I'll be telling you some stocks which you can put in your watch list and can observe this for the upcoming week. So first stock is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So this stock was in consolidation for a month, and according to my observation on the chart, this chart it was forming a double top pattern, as you can see clearly see point X, A, B, C, and D. It's forming a double top pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So bearish pattern and this is my neckline. So the stock may be bearish and we can see a downtrend, but we'll wait for the signal. As you can see, this is my neckline. I'll wait for the breakdown. See, the for the past 3 to 4 candles tried giving a breakdown, but the volumes weren't so great. You can see the volumes were not so good. So it was a false breakdown. And on the last Thursday, it formed a green candle. As you can see, it closed above the neckline. So we can say the stock is taking support of the neckline, and we can see a further up move from here. So 50-50 chances are there, like this can give a breakdown or can take a support and can go up. So please be cautious. Also, the RSI is below 50, which means the stock is bearish. Wait for your entry because we don't know how the market will react to the current scenario. It's been like a hard month for India. Like cases are increasing day by day. The market is gonna be volatile, so be cautious and take your trades. So Kotak Bank, like it's giving the bearish indicator, but we will see if it takes support on the neckline, we can see a further up move, or if it gives a breakdown, the stock will surely go down. And the next stock is the Reliance. The simple logic of Reliance is like it began its uptrend from 29 Jan. So it went up till 2 to around 2 to 5, and again it came down. So I I drew a trend line over here, and you can see when it came down from 2 to 2, it was taking support of the trend line. See, from the past 5 to 6 candles, it's taking the support of trend line, which means the trend line is acting as a strong support level, and you can put your stop loss below the support line. Okay, and as the last candle closed on the trend line, so we can expect it to take support and can go up. So put this under your watch list. You can gain some profit out of it, and always check with the other indicators, RS or everything. But as it's below 50 level, as it's below the 50 level, which is the money flow index, the stock is bearish. Wait for MFI to cross 50 and take your entry. The next is Apollo tires. So the logic behind Apollo tires, I'm going to explain you. It might look messy for you, but I'll make it easier for you. Don't worry. See, Apollo tire was forming a head and shoulder pattern on a 15-minute chart. Okay, you can see it was forming a head and shoulder pattern. The time duration was around in the month of Feb. It was forming a head and shoulder pattern. So I wanted to enter into the stock, but as I saw this head and shoulder pattern, I waited for my entry. So I waited for the breakdown. See, this was my neckline, this level, and I waited for a breakdown. So it gave a breakdown with a great volume. You can see here the volume was great, and it went down, and then it fell till level of 209 Okay, on daily chart, as Apollo tire is an uptrend from the day of budget, you can see I drew a trend line. So after giving a breakdown from the head and shoulder pattern, it fell till the trend line, but I didn't enter at 209 because I found it riskier to enter at 209 because the momentum was high. The I thought the stock might go down more, but so I thought like I will enter when the stock is above the trend line or taking support near the trend line. So you can see it's taking support at the trend line. So I entered at 220 or 221, and I also suggested my colleagues and my friends to enter at 220 to 21, and the stop loss just below 10 to 20 points below trend line, and they're still holding it. And now it has formed like a green big candle, and uh, MFI is also above 50, so it's in a uptrend, and I expect a further up move till to 245. But let's see what happens. So this was my analysis of Apollo Tire, and the next is the Dish TV. On daily chart, Dish TV was in a downtrend. Okay, and on Thursday, it was giving an indication of it was giving a buying signal. You can see MFI, that is money flow index, is crossing 50 level. Okay, 50 level, and also check the volume. The volume is so good, right? It's greater than the previous volume, and the candle formed is also a very bullish candle, and I expect it to give a breakout on Monday, and you can enter into this trade if it gives a breakout and gives a crossover of moving averages and with a great volume. Okay, so you can, like, this stock is good for short term gains. You can like we can expect target till 14, 16 levels. Just wait for the breakout and keep the stock under observation. If it gives a fall breakout, or if it takes the resistance of this trend line, see, I have joined lower high. These are the lower high. I have joined this line. The other thing can happen opposite is this stock won't go up or will take a resistance at this level and will further downward can be seen. So keep this stock under observation, and always check the volume and indicators. I hope you liked my videos, and if you have any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer your question, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.